What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about importing or dropshipping products from CJ Dropshipping and importing them to sell them on your Amazon store. So basically what dropshipping is that you find a supplier for the products and you link this product to your store so that when a client or a visitor to your store buys the product, you don't have to have the product itself in your warehouse or the physical product. However, when someone makes an order, the supplier, in this case CJ Dropshipping, will handle all the shipping, the packaging and everything. So you sell the products and you keep a profit margin since you will sell your products on your shop, in this case, or in this video, Amazon, with a higher price than CJ Dropshipping. So that's basically what dropshipping is. Now, here you have to have a CJ Dropshipping account. Here I'm on the cjdropshipping.com website and I'm signed into my account. And now you want to link your Amazon account to your CJ Dropshipping. Now, if we go here on the CJ Dropshipping homepage and click on the authorizations, you'll see here the different stores to which you can link CJ Dropshipping to. However, Amazon is not in this list. So you can link your Shopify store, your WooCommerce, TikTok store, eBay, Etsy, AliExpress, and others. However, Amazon is not on this list. So basically what that means is that you cannot actually import or list products directly from CJ Dropshipping to your Amazon store. However, I'll show you a couple of methods that you can use instead. So if we go to your Amazon homepage, sorry, that's so if you go to your Amazon homepage here, what you want to do is create a seller account. So if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see here this section, make money with us. You want to click on sell products on Amazon. And here it'll open up the start selling or Amazon, set up your seller account. Here you want to click on sign up. Okay. And if you scroll down, you'll find some info, some statistics and so on. So let's click here on sign up. And what you want to do is create an Amazon Seller Central account. So you want to enter your email or mobile phone and password if you are already signed in, if you are already signed up, sorry, if you have an account, or you can create your Amazon account. So let's create an Amazon account. So you want to enter your name, your email, password, and so on. And once you do so, I'll show you. Okay, let's try it. Here is successful. Now, you will get a number on your email or a code to enter it to verify your account. And once you do here, let's so let's do it very quickly. Okay, so the email hasn't arrived yet. However, you want to enter this code and then it'll redirect you to a page where you'll enter all your information, like your address, your phone number, etc. And if you are accepted, you can open your store on Amazon. So what you want to do, or what you can do, is find a product here on CJ Dropshipping. Let's say I like this one, this kitchen faucet. Okay, I'll open it. And what you can do is basically import, list a new product or create a new product on your Amazon store, and then get this video and these photos of the product and copy the description, the product title, copy the description, copy the pricing, as well as the shipping fees and so on your Amazon account, and link this. Once you get an order on Amazon, you want to go to CJ Dropshipping and manually ship it to the person who orders it. So it is not like a direct method to link your CJ Dropshipping to your Amazon. However, it is a good method if you want to sell, if you find a good product or a good seller that you want to link or you want to sell on Amazon. So you have to do it and you will earn some money. So what you want to do is calculate the price add the shipping fees, the service fee, and the any other fees that are available, and add like a profit margin and sell it on your Amazon store. And you can also copy the SKU, the material, the description as well, and so on. So it is not like literally or drop shipping. It's not drop shipping. You are like manually shipping the product from another site, in this case CJ Dropshipping, to your Amazon customer. However, it's a good idea if you find a good product that you want to start selling. Now, another idea, if you want to sell, like if you are selling clothing and if there is a design that you want to sell on your Amazon store. So let's search for t-shirts. Okay. And let's say you want to sell this t-shirt. You like the design, you want to sell this t-shirt. So I open the product page here, and what you can do is like save this image to your computer, copy the design itself, or cut a photo of the design itself, and go to Merch by Amazon. So that's merch.amazon.com. So basically what Merch by Amazon is, it lets you like create, upload your designs, and Amazon will print these prints or these designs on demand on like bags, t-shirts, hoodies, and other products, and they will ship it to your customers. So you will list your design on a t-shirt on Amazon, Merch by Amazon, and if you get an order, Amazon will print your design on a t-shirt and send it to your customers. So you don't have to do the business, to do the hard working and have like an inventory or print the t-shirts yourself. So that's another idea if you are wanting to sell like t-shirts or clothing or like designs on bags and so on. So in summary, there isn't a direct way or a official way to link your CJ Dropshipping to your Amazon account. However, as I told you, you can like import all the details and photos, videos of the product and list it as a product on your Amazon store, and manually like ship the product from CJ Dropshipping to your customer. Or if you are selling t-shirts and you only want the designs that are available on CJ Dropshipping, you can get the design and add it to your Amazon merch account or Merch Central, and Amazon will print it on demand to t-shirts, hoodies, and so on, and will package it and will send it to your customer. So to do so, you'll need to sign up here to a merch account on your Amazon. So that is different from the Amazon account that you use to buy things. So that was basically some ideas about selling products from CJ Dropshipping into your Amazon store.